Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today I'm looking at a new portable Apple CarPlay console from Coral Vision that includes improved performance, USB-C support, and it supports both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So keep watching for my review. So I first covered the original portable CarPlay console from Coral Vision a little less than a year ago. It was the easiest way to have Apple CarPlay in a vehicle that doesn't have CarPlay enabled. The idea and cost of installing an aftermarket stereo can be a little bit off-putting, but with this console, you can simply attach it to your windscreen, connect the power cable, choose your audio output to your existing car stereo, and then you're good to go. Once you connect your iPhone either via the attached cable or wirelessly, you can fire up CarPlay onto the portable console, nice and simple. In the box, you get the wireless console itself, you get the windscreen mounting bracket, a 3.5mm audio cable for aux input, a 12-volt power adapter to power the console. There is a rubber strip to prevent the console from slipping on your dashboard, and there's a glass adhesive disc to alternatively attach the mount directly onto your dashboard. And there's also a very long wiring harness and rear view camera should you wish to attach it to your vehicle too. And finally, there is an improved installation manual to tell you how to install and operate the portable console and get everything generally connected to it. Installation really is plug and play. You simply locate the best position for the console to rest on your dashboard. Because the mounting bracket is made of thick plastic and the weight of the screen is best supported by letting the screen rest on the dashboard surface. You can either choose to use the anti-slip rubber pad on the dashboard, but personally I felt that I didn't really need it myself. Once you've located the mounting arm onto your windscreen and position the console on your dashboard, you just need to get the 12-volt adapter to plug it into your available 12-volt socket, and then carefully feed its long cable around the dash and into the back of the portable console. At this point, you now need to choose whether you want to connect the 3.5mm audio jack to an audio aux port in your car interior, or if you don't have such a port, you can use the FM transmission method instead. Once powered up, if you've chosen the FM transmission for your audio, the first thing you need to do is check your car radio for a frequency that is free from any radio stations or just general interference. Then in the FM menu option on the console, you enable FM via the toggle in the bottom and then dial in the same FM frequency to match the frequency on your car stereo. To connect to CarPlay, you can either do this by connecting a USB-C to Lightning cable to your iPhone, or if you wish to use wireless CarPlay, you need to first connect your phone to the console via Bluetooth. After doing this, you'll be asked to pair and enable CarPlay, and then wireless CarPlay should begin. From here, you would use CarPlay as you would do with any other factory system or aftermarket stereo, and the audio will begin to transmit through the car's aux input or FM radio frequency on your car stereo. For Android Auto, the process is pretty much the same. You can use either a wired connection via the USB-C input or connect to the wireless console using Bluetooth to pair the console with your Android 11 or higher device. Once connected, you can control Android Auto just as you could do any other factory system that has Android Auto capability, with audio, navigation and calling all coming through your car speakers via the FM radio or aux audio input on your car stereo. A new addition to this version of the console over the previous model is that you now have the ability to use screen mirroring or screen casting on your iOS and Android device. This will give you the ability to play back content from the phone onto a portable console screen, as well as playing audio from your car stereo via the apps such as YouTube. But sadly, like the dongles I've covered in the past, applications that contain copyright material will not function, such as Netflix, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime. Just like the previous model, you also have USB-A input port for USB media. By inserting a USB drive filled with audio and video files, you can play these back on the portable console via its built-in media player. Many file formats are supported, so you shouldn't find any trouble playing your media playback on the console screen. Performance-wise, I found this console to be a lot faster than the previous model, and its display, although slightly inferior to the original wireless model, it is just as sharp and bright as the original model. The tiny speaker inside has been a little improved, but you still want to use the aux and FM transmission for your audio. Unfortunately, again, this update model still only features a single Bluetooth module, and this is used for Bluetooth input only. So you will not be able to transmit audio via Bluetooth to a car's Bluetooth stereo, for example. The FM quality is still decent. I would say probably a little bit improved thanks to some noise cancellation that they are now doing. And it's a great alternative should you not have an aux input in your car stereo. The problem I have with the aux input is that you have a cable running out the side of the console and into the aux input port in your vehicle, which for some might be a little unsightly because all the power and cables still run from the left-hand side of the console rather than out the back of it. It's also still unfortunate that you are forced to use the bundled 12-volt cable adapter, which takes up the entire socket. So should you have the need to use a USB socket for other devices such as phone charging mount or a dash cam, you will not be able to plug these into your 12-volt charger. Instead, you should reuse a USB-A port on the side of the console, but that means more wires. In the future version of the console, I would like to see the console become a little bit thinner and a little lighter. I would like to see the input and output ports move to the back of the console, even if the console has to get a little bit thicker. I would like to see a big improvement on the onboard audio and also have the ability to transmit audio from the console to a car stereo that has Bluetooth. But right now, if the thought of installing an aftermarket CarPlay system worries you, or that you would like to share CarPlay between a number of vehicles in your household, or use it on a hired car, or perhaps you wish to use CarPlay in a caravan or boat, then this Pro unit from Coral Vision is a much improved plug-and-play solution to easily get Apple CarPlay in any vehicle. The Coral Vision CarPlay Wireless Pro Complete Portable Console retails for around $329 directly from the people that make it, and you can check out my links to buy it in the description below to learn more and to buy yourself one. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please tap that like button down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this portable console from Coral Vision. You can catch all my latest CarPlay videos in this playlist here. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.